Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you are having an amazing day. I know today's video is long overdue, but instead of me doing some decorate with me for Christmas, I'm going to be putting little small things on the tree, and I will be jumping right into today's tour. The living room is officially finished, but I didn't get done cleaning till about 4 days ago, like really getting everything back, getting the floors done, getting everything where they needed to be. So of course, I couldn't do any decorating videos, but what I am going to do is I'm going to save this video. That way I can post it next year. But without any further ado, you guys, here is the tour. So you guys, I wanted to close off the video just sharing just a little bit really quickly. I am someone that I don't always celebrate the wins, big or small. Once I reach a goal, I'm pretty much on to the next one. So some of this may come across a little old, but I am going to start celebrating the small milestones and also the big ones. And I hope you find this video encouraging. As we're turning over into 2022, this is what I'm going to start doing, and hopefully you guys start implementing it also. The first thing that I want to share with you guys is my YouTube plaque. Even though I got it, I never really shared it on YouTube. I said thank you. I posted a video on Instagram, and literally I moved on to the next thing. So today I want to say thank you because we're at 160 right now and I'm really happy about it. So here's to hitting 100K and celebrating. The next thing that I want to share with you guys, which I thought was the most sweetest thing ever, my friend gifted me the congratulations on 150K followers on Instagram, and I would like to kindly announce that currently I am almost at 189. So this year alone, I grew my Instagram by about 170 within this year. So yay! I'm really excited. The next thing that I want to share with you guys is not only do I have one trademark, but I currently hold 2. Thank you so much to KENDRA. I will leave her information down below if you guys are interested in brand protection. You guys, you need this. You don't want anyone to steal your things, especially if you're on social media. So I'm leaving you guys with some amazing gems for the end of the year that we can go into 2022 ready, focus, and to tackle all your goals. The really next amazing news that I want to share with you guys is I have a brand new iMac. So I will be working on my editing, although things was working fine before. But if you guys watch Nitra's channel, you see that she has these amazing little pop-ups that come up and stuff like that. So I've been speaking with her and also my friend, and so I currently have Final Cut Pro put onto this system. So I'm gonna learn that. She's gonna give me some more extensions so that way my editing can get even better for 2022. You guys have an amazing Christmas. I'm not sure if I'm going to put out any other content after this. My focus is taking down the trees. If you guys are interested in seeing that and just getting the house back to normal, let me know. But for now, this is it. Have an amazing day and I will see you guys next time. Bye.